Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're looking at our brand new Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. This boat has a very traditional look, the white hull, silver accent stripe, silver graphics package, twin Mercury Verado 300s. These are equipped with the joystick piloting system as well. Underwater LED lighting. As you step onto the boat, you'll notice a very large cockpit back here for fishing or entertaining. Currently the seats are pulled out. Those will fold up and stow for more room. This boat's also equipped with a grill. Nice fridge. Sink setup. Extendable sunshade to cover the cockpit, keep you out of the sun. Very nice helm station. Throttles, joystick piloting as mentioned before. Very large Raymarine screens. This convert to one large seat if you lower the table. Plenty of vents to keep fresh air moving through. As you step down into the cabin, plenty of room for a boat this size. This boat is equipped with a TV as well. Another vent to let natural air and light in. Functional galley, microwave, cooktop, fridge. Storage or sleeping underneath. Very nice size head. If you have any questions about this boat or any others that we have, give us a call down here at MarineMax New York of Huntington.